We have broken ground. Join the College of Humanities and the Arts and the Dr. Martin Luther King Library as we begin renovations on our Digital Humanities Center. Over the next 3 months, we will be upgrading the space and furnishing to bring our vision for a collaborative, technology-enabled center to life.
This location allows the students to showcase their work to the community, which in turn draws the community in so they can develop partnerships between the students and the surrounding community.
Your support over the past 2 years has been invaluable in getting us to where we are today. We thank you for your commitment to help us meet our fundraising goal in both the first and second year of our Challenge Grant. Now, in our third year, we ask again for your help to meet this year's goal of $100,000. With your support, we have already raised $80,000 in both new and multi-year gifts. Help us secure the remaining $20,000 and meet our third year's goal by making a gift today.
Anybody that's interested in anything intellectual and in the humanities area, I think there's no better opportunity than to do something in a program like this.
We value your partnership in continuing this journey with us over the past 2 years. As we move closer to completing the space in the third, we look forward to welcoming students, faculty, and the community to the Digital Humanities Center.
We know how much you value and appreciate and want to support our students here at San Jose State. And the Digital Humanities Center will touch many, many of those students and will affect them not just while they are here, but in their future lives and their future careers. So please consider a donation to our Digital Humanities Center here at San Jose State.
Make a gift today and help us bring us one step closer to opening the Digital Humanities Center.